Insulating framed walls right after rough framing is key to keeping your place cozy and energy smart before you slap on the drywall. So, once your walls are framed and all the rough plumbing and wiring stuff is in, you want to grab your insulation, usually fiberglass bats or spray foam. Make sure every single bay between the studs is fully filled up, no gaps or squished spots, because that's where heat sneaks out or cold sneaks in. If you're using bats, cut them just right so they fit snug without leaving room for air to move around. Spray foam's cool because it expands and fills all those weird little crevices. Don't forget about checking the vapor barrier. It's gotta be sealed tight so moisture doesn't mess with your walls later on. Trim any insulation poking out so it sits flush with the studs, making drywall installation smooth. Take a quick walk through after you're done to spot any missed spots or compressed areas and fix them up. Doing this right helps keep your energy bills down and makes your home way more comfortable. One of the biggest mistakes people make when insulating framed walls after rough framing is leaving gaps or compressing the insulation, which seriously cuts energy efficiency and lets drafts in. To fix that, double-check each bay and adjust bats or foam to fill completely without squishing. Another common issue is ignoring the vapor barrier or installing it wrong, causing moisture problems that can lead to mold and damage. So, always inspect for holes and tape seams tight. Lastly, rushing through without trimming insulation flush to the studs can make drywall tricky to hang and create uneven surfaces, so take your time trimming and fitting. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff about insulation and framing so your project goes smooth. Plus, it gives contractors a real shot at getting work by connecting them with people who need their skills around the home.